Hey there, my name is Gaurang, and you can call me Gao or just G for short. And I'm a software engineer in the TM1 marketing team here at Ticketmaster. Are you new to Elasticsearch, or have you been using it for a while? Either way, take a look at this course that helps you learn the basics of deploying Elasticsearch on your local machine and going all the way up to deploying a fully fledged distributed Elasticsearch cluster on the AWS cloud. Join us as we go through a very hands-on approach on this topic. We recently went through this exercise for our project here at Ticketmaster and quickly realized that the challenges we face are going to be universal for anyone who's looking to do this. In addition to Elasticsearch, you will also learn the basics of Docker, deployments on AWS, including standing EC2 instances, auto-scaling groups, spot instances versus on-demand instances, and much more. We tried searching the internet for courses that would help us do this and found that while there are bits and pieces here and there isn't a comprehensive course that shows us how to do this. That is our motivation for putting this video together, and we trust that it will be beneficial for anyone who is either just starting out with Elasticsearch or has been using it for a while and wants to take it to the next level. We hope you find this video useful. Thank you.